Okay, this video is about how to do go through a platform and then land on it for GameMaker Studios. So he's able to jump. Then this blue platform is to go through, so he goes through that and lands on it like Mario. So let me show you how I did this. This code works great for simple game like this is. When you're dealing with more complex gaming where you're switching images to a different image, then it becomes more complex and for some reason the code doesn't work, and I'll talk about that later in my later videos. But let me talk about how I did this simple coding here for this thing to work, and there's also a link that I can give you as well on YouTube to you can watch that video too and see how the guy did it on his video. Alright, I'm going to touch base on the go through platform because everything else I've talked about in the past with dealing with jumping and gravity. So we have a normal block that he lands on, then we have a block that he goes through. So this block is called object up block 1, and do add event step, and then you drag over some code, and the code is going to be this: if object player underscore right dot bbox underscore bottom is less than bbox underscore top, then make it solid false, else make it solid true. So this bbox top is already written in GameMaker Studios. It's talking about the collision. That's what it's pretty much talking about here. And so it's determining whether to make the blue jumping box transparent where he goes through it, and or to make it solid when he lands on it. So it depends on the situation when he's going to jump through it or not, and if he does jump through it, then make it solid once he lands. So that's what that code's talking about. And in the object player right, you also need a collision with the jump through block, and the code's this: if other dot solid equals true, move to contact solid, direction 12, v-speed 0. So if he lands after going through the platform, drops down, make the platform solid, and then v-speed is going to be 0, so he's going to just stop there. So that's the only code you need for this platform to work, and this can be applied for moving platforms too, which I can do later videos. So that's all you're doing here, is you're having a collision with your player, bring over the code to make it work for the jumping box. Then on the block you have a step event, and then you have this code right here for your player, and that's all you need. Thanks for watching.